Driving 101. Don't creep up hills. You gotta go. You gotta go. Those are the people that get you screwed whenever they take their good old time going up these hills. I get it. It's scary. Whee! But you gotta go, my guy. Bridge ices before road. Is that true? Man, lovely. It's so gorgeous. I love this. I love this so much, dude. Beautiful storm system, too, that came through. It was a really nice storm system. Ooh, did I make a mistake by coming down this way? What is going on, guys? It is a fine, super fine day here in Southwest PA. And today's video is something that I really don't like to do. I don't like to do these car videos, but I haven't made a video in a while, and I really want to kind of explain why I have not been riding at all. Because a little bit of snow action. Hold on, let's do this real quick. Okay, awesome. And there's a couple reasons why I haven't been riding, and it's really honestly not just the obvious. Oh, you know what? Let me get gas real fast, and I will be right back. All right, so why I haven't been riding my motorcycle? There's a bunch of different reasons, to be completely honest with you, and some of them aren't as apparent. But, you know, we'll just address the elephant in the room. The biggest reason why I have not been riding my motorcycle is because I really just don't want to, man. You know, winter riding requires a lot, and it's very demanding and hard on the bike, as well as you individually. And by that, I mean, like, having to get up early, putting on all the gear, kind of just doing everything about that. And this is the first time since I had my motorcycle that I actually had a car. Like, I got my car fixed, so I really don't have to ride the motorcycle right now. Like, well, okay, so the first, let me put on my seatbelt real quick. The first year I got my bike, I was super all excited, and you know, I just wanted to ride my motorcycle. It was fun, and it was still all new to me, so I did not care about riding in the snow. I did not care about riding in the winter. The second season, I keep dropping that. I'm probably just going to use the audio for the GoPro. The second season, I didn't have a choice because I did not have a car. I just physically did not have a car. I mean, I had this, but it had a lot of issues and all that stuff. So, you know, that was the second year, and this is the third year I had my bike. So this will, snowy. Okay, hold on. We got to do a little bit of driving too. I can't be messing with the GoPro too much. Okay, winter driving 101. Don't creep up hills. You gotta go. You gotta go. Those are the people that get you screwed whenever they take their good old time going up these hills. I get it. It's scary. Whee! But you gotta go, my guy. Oh, man, these roads are kind of bad. Yes, sir. I love driving in this. And that's the other thing. I love driving in this shit, man. Like, it's just so much fun to me. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, so first season, it was cute. Second season, didn't have a car. Third season, I got my car. And to be honest with you, I just really don't want to ride the bike in the winter right now, because it's kind of nice driving a car, man. One of the big reasons why I wanted to drive a motorcycle, or learn how to ride a motorcycle, is because it was a new thing to drive. And you know, having not been able to drive a vehicle, a regular car, in I don't know how long ever it's been. It's kind of fun to drive a car again, I'm not gonna lie. And it's nice that it's nice and warm and I don't gotta wake up, you know. It's a little aggravating having to get up extra early and get all geared up and ride a motorcycle 5 o'clock in the morning whenever it's 20 degrees outside. It's just a little slidey. It's a little you know, not fun. Not a lot of motivation sometimes. Ooh, these roads are not so good. No bueno. My frosito, no bueno. So yeah, that's like the main thing why I'm not riding in the winter, is because I really just don't want to. I got the car and I'm kind of enjoying driving the car. The second reason why I'm not riding, let's put this in 2, not use the brakes as much. And the second reason why I haven't really been riding the bike is because I'm working a lot, man. I don't know if I mentioned it, I probably did. I'm working 7 days a week now. Like, my first day off, I worked all October. I got back from vacation in October, and I worked all November until Thanksgiving, and I worked every day again until Christmas. And then after that, I don't know, because we had a meat manager leave, and now we have another main cutter leave. So it's a little kind of all over the place right now. So whenever I ride in super cold weather, even with my Bravka and all the precautions and all that fun stuff, I still always get sick. I always get some kind of upper respiratory bronchitis, pneumonia infection, and I'm really not trying to do that, man. One, it's never fun being sick, and 2, I'm really working hard, man, on trying to get this this second motorcycle. I already have it in mind what I want to get. Some of you probably already know, some of you might not know, but I know what I want, and I know what year, color, everything about what I want, and that's what I want. So getting sick and being off screws that plan up. So that's another major reason why I quit riding in the winter. Well, for this year, it's not like an indefinite thing. It's just, you know, for right now, I'm not riding in the winter. The other reason why, and like I said, this is like a complex thing. Like, it's not just I'm not riding because it's cold. Like, I can deal with the cold, I can deal with the snow, I can deal with the ice, but you know, there's a lot to it. Man, it's really coming down right now, man. It's really snowing. I don't think it looks as sketchy on camera, but the other reason why I'm kind of not riding in the winter is to save money. Now, it's kind of an oxymoron because I am spending more money in gas, but okay, so here's the situation I always run into whenever, how's the interstate look? Pretty jacked up, actually. This is the situation that I always end up running into, and that is I get new tires, probably sometime, man, it's really snowing, dude. I get new tires probably sometime around October-ish, and then I run the bike all October, all November, and then whenever it's wintertime, I'm running it November, or you know, December, January, February, March. March is kind of getting into motorcycle season, but which way are you going, my guy? Bridge ices before road, is that true? Man, lovely. It's so gorgeous. I love this so much, dude. Beautiful storm system too that came through. It was a really nice storm system. Ooh, did I make a mistake by coming down this way? Shit, I might have actually fucked up. I shouldn't have come down this way, but I do got good tires on, so hopefully that's okay. Now we got extra gears. But yeah, I end up getting brand new tires, and I run them for, come on, I want to see the camera, and I run them all throughout fall, winter, and then early spring. And then by time it gets like nice outside, well, nice outside as far as like, you know, the roads are nice and hot, the tires are nice and hot, I can't run them hard because they already have like 5, 6, 7,000 miles on them at that point. And I got to get another set of tires, and sometimes with money being the way it is, I can't get new tires until like, you know, July, August, and then we're right back at the same situation, right? So that's another big reason, is to save money on tires, or rather to save my tires. The other big thing is winter is very hard on motorcycle chains. I don't know what it is. I can't keep rust off a chain. I don't have the ability to wash my bike immediately. I know that probably has a lot to do with it, but I don't have that luxury to do that. And every single year I had to get a new chain because my chain just is completely screwed, and that's not a good thing. You cannot ride around on a jacked up chain. So chains are expensive, like 200 bucks to get it put on. It's like another $100-something, you know, it just adds up. So money is a big reason, or is another big reason why I haven't been riding in the winter. Again, tires and chains, man, it's expensive. And you know, you do have to put like a thinner oil in your motorcycle for it to even get to operating temperature. That last ride I did, well, that one ride I did where it was like -8 degrees or whatever the hell it was, wind chill was like -20, -30, whatever it was, Fahrenheit, not Celsius, and my bike barely got above operating temperature, man, and that's not cool. Like, it's not good on the engine. It's just not cool. And for the sake of just riding in the winter, look, don't get it twisted, man. You are a cool motherfucker riding a bike in the winter, or a dumbass, like, you know, whatever you people think you are. But it's fun. I do enjoy it, but there are a lot of extras coming with it when you ride in the winter. Again, I mean, obviously, you know, snow and ice is no good, but there are a bunch of other external factors to that. I'm trying to think if there is, let me turn this on for 1 second. Let me see if there's any other reasons since I got you. I've also wanted to make this video because, I mean, you know, I missed you. I haven't talked to you guys in so long, and some of you might know this, but like, motovlogging is a nice way to vent. It's a nice way to talk, and I really enjoy it. And I don't know, I just wanted to make this video. And I do want to, I don't know, I guess I'm kind of getting off topic now, because I don't think that there's any, is there any other reason why I'm not riding a motorcycle in the winter? I said the salt, I said the money, I said I really just don't want to because I got my car, even though it's not like inspected now, it's technically illegal, but you know, whatever. And hey, Mr. Truck driving man, you need to chill out, dude. You need to chillax, have a relax, my guy. But man, what a beautiful day. Look how nice this is. Like, and this was such a nice storm too, man. Like, it was just such a nice storm that blew through. I mean, textbook storm, right? Textbook storm. But the heavy snow and the snow on the trees and all that fun stuff, it just looks really good. Let's see, is there anything else I want to say? You know, I do want to obviously apologize for not being able to upload some content, and you know, I still hope I'm able to, man, look at that tree looks nice. I'm hoping I'm still able to work with Mercedes. I haven't been able to be there in a long time because, I mean, like I said, man, I really am just working all the time. It's crazy. I'm really enjoying it, but I am working every single day. You know, I'm doing like 60 something hours a week or whatever it is, and it's been nice. The pay's been nice, and it's helping me reach my financial goal of getting this motorcycle, man. So if you want to help me reach that financial goal, I didn't turn on that super likes or, you know, the donation thing. I think that's a little, you know, strange, but, you know, if you could just like, share, and subscribe, I would appreciate that. I don't think I'm going to get off the phone yet, get off the vlog yet, because I want to go down the rest of this road, which isn't too much left, but I shouldn't have done that. But yeah, just been working a lot. Now I'm kind of rambling about nothingness. Is there any other reason why I haven't been riding in the winter? I really don't think so, man. Those really are like the big things, especially the getting sick part, man. I really don't want to get sick, because like I said, dude, I would get like pneumonia or bronchitis every freaking year, and you know, that stuff I gotta quit saying, you know, I probably said that 50 million times in a stupid vlog. I don't know if you've ever had bronchitis or pneumonia, but it lingers, and sometimes you're out of work for a while, and I'm not making money when I'm not working, so that in itself is a no bueno. So yeah, I guess this is kind of the end of the video. I don't want to make it too long. Again, this isn't the kind of video that I like to do. This is a motorcycle channel, and I didn't really want to do the car thing, but I did want to I did want to kind of explain why I haven't been uploading, and you know, maybe a couple of you guys were not wondering, but like, you know, wanted a video, because some people generally do like my channel, and I really do appreciate that, and I really do appreciate you guys. I think that is awesome. Let's get on this road. How is this road? Woo, slippy slidey. I'm a slippy slidey kind of guy. Yes, sir. Yeah, this road's still kind of jacked up too, huh? Man, we got a lot of snow, dude. Got a lot of snow. Looks so nice, though. Absolutely love it. But hey, guys, again, I really do appreciate you watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm hopefully working towards this goal of getting this brand new motorcycle. If you think you know what it is, let me know in the comments. Is there anything else I want to say? Oh, you don't want to see me, you want to see the road. But I think that's about all I got to say, guys. So I will see you, as always, in the next one.